Put your phone aside. Put your laptop aside. Switch off your TV, your computer, your radio. Do it for at least half an hour a day. And before you go to sleep, do not watch a screen. And put your phone on airplane mode. No Wi-Fi, no radiation. Definitely not your phone very close to you. And if your phone is also your alarm, then have it on airplane mode. Switch off all communication. You will notice that you will be sleeping deeper and rest better. Try not to have any sources of radiation close to you. And for people who use Bluetooth headsets or earbuds, remember, they do communicate. So they're sending radio waves through your head non-stop, which is very unhealthy. Do your research if you do not believe me. Especially for children, it's gonna cause irreversible harm in most cases. By the time you discover it, it's gonna be too late. Aside from that, not having those sources close to you when you sleep will help you sleep better. And doing what some people call internet fasting for at least half an hour a day, but maybe even an hour or 2 hours a day. I'm not talking when you're sleeping, I'm talking when you're awake, will help you de-stress. Read a book, have a walk, just be in silence, or do something with your hands. It will benefit you. Like, subscribe, and share.